Everywhere you look, people are asking the same question. Will AI take away our jobs? From call centers to IT companies, from coders to content writers, fear is spreading fast. But is this just hype, or the reality of India's future? Today, let's break down the truth. How many jobs AI can actually replace in India, and how many new opportunities it might create. India's economy is deeply connected to technology. Our IT sector employs over 4.4 million people. The BPO and customer support industry provides work to 1.3 million more. These are exactly the kind of jobs AI tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, and AI chatbots can handle. In fact, a Business Insider report in 2025 warned that entry-level jobs, like basic coding, email writing, and call handling, are at the highest risk of being automated. So yes, AI is a threat. But is it the end of the story? Not really. Every new technology in history has destroyed some jobs, but created new ones too. When machines entered factories, many laborers lost jobs, but new industries like automobile design and logistics were born. When computers arrived, people feared job losses. Instead, India became the world's back office, creating millions of IT jobs. AI is no different. It will replace repetitive work, but it will also create new industries and new careers. According to the World Economic Forum, by 2030, AI could displace 85 million jobs worldwide. But at the same time, it may create 97 million new roles in fields like AI engineering, data analysis, cybersecurity, and digital marketing. In India, experts predict customer support and low-skill outsourcing jobs will shrink. Entry-level coding and content writing will decline, but AI startups, digital freelancing, data science, and creative problem-solving jobs will explode in demand. So yes, the numbers show transition, not total destruction. Here's the hype. AI will replace everyone's jobs. Humans will be unemployed. Machines will take over. Here's the reality. AI can handle repetitive, predictable work, but it cannot fully replace creativity, emotional intelligence, leadership, or human judgment. For example, an AI can write a report, but a manager who understands culture, strategy, and negotiation is still irreplaceable. An AI can give legal information, but in court, you still need a human lawyer to argue and persuade. An AI can design a poster, but a marketer who understands Indian audience psychology is much more valuable. So the reality is clear. AI won't replace you, but a person who knows how to use AI might. So what should Indians do? The answer is simple. Adapt and upskill. Learn to use AI tools instead of fearing them. Explore fields like data analysis, cybersecurity, AI project management. Build creative and entrepreneurial skills that machines can't replicate. Because the future will not belong to those who resist AI. It will belong to those who ride the AI wave. So, hype versus reality. AI will replace some jobs in India, especially repetitive ones. But reality is, if you upgrade yourself, AI will make you more powerful, not less. Now tell me in the comments, do you think AI will destroy jobs in India or create new opportunities? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such deep dives into the future of India.